In 2001 to 2002, he gained access to 97 different US military systems at the Pentagon and NASA. His quest? To find evidence to prove the existence of UFOs. Hey mom.
No, God!
I think you got, your hacker here. You love UFOs, mom. Hi, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. We have the notorious hacks in history. This video is courtesy of industface.com. We have Citibank hack in 1995. In the early days of the internet, Russian computer programmer Vladimir Levin managed to steal 10 million, but not by going online. He hacked into the Citibank telephone system and stole account credentials, right, password and account numbers, from customers when they set them aloud to service reps. Levine then used those credentials to electronically transfer millions to various accounts around the globe. He was eventually caught, sentenced to 3 years in prison, and all but $400,000 was recovered. This was one of the first high-profile and public electronic thefts from a financial institution. Next, we have the Mafia Boy Attacks in 2000. The DDoS attack, which is a deliberate attempt to overwhelm a website or server with traffic, making it impossible for others to access it, has been a popular choice amongst hackers for years. A 15-year-old hacker known as Mafia Boy, whose real name is Michael C., aimed a powerful DDoS attack at some of the biggest sites on the net in 2000. He successfully took down CNN, Yahoo, Amazon. Amazon? I love Amazon. Mafia Boy, you better stop. Well, this was 2000. He took down eBay, Dell, E-Trade before being stopped. He started as a precautious 9-year-old hacking into AOL to extend his 30-day free pass, right? That's Mafia Boy, could you prolong my Netflix account?
You can do it!
Could you prolong that?
You can do it!
Don't tell nobody though. The DDoS attacks in 2000 weren't for financial gain, revenge, or any other evil intent. He just wanted to impress the online hacker community. Mission accomplished. He not only gained notoriety within that group, but also captured the attention of the President of the United States and the Attorney General. He was eventually caught, arrested, and served 8 months in a youth group home, right? He works today as a cybersecurity consultant, strictly white hat only. So he ain't just gonna be out here, okay? We got eyes on you, alright? Next, we have the American military hack from 2001 to 2002. As a Fox Mulder from the X-Files would say, the truth is out there. And a Scottish hacker, Gary McKinnon, was on a mission to find it. In 2001 to 2002, he gained access to 97 different US military systems at the Pentagon and NASA. His quest? To find evidence to prove the existence of UFOs. Hey mom, I think you got, your hacker here. You love UFOs, mom. Anyways, McKinnon left taunting messages like, your security system is crap, I am a solo, I will continue to disrupt at the highest levels, on the military systems he infiltrated. And military authorities claim they spent well over $800,000 recovering from the damage. What's most memorable about the whole thing is the ease with which McKinnon waltzed in and started poking around highly confidential government servers, and his somewhat laughable reason for doing so. US lawyers called it the biggest military computer hacks of all time and accused him of stealing passwords and deleting files, right? Which is an accusation that he adamantly denies. They consider him an electronic terrorist. McKinnon fought extradition to the US to face charges for a solid decade and finally won the battle in 2012. A few months later, it was announced he would not face similar charges in the United Kingdom. Next, we have the Nasdaq Attacks of 2010. In late 2010, there was a Russian attempt to hack the Nasdaq. Wait, don't you dare. I'm one of the shareholders, okay? Please stop. The FBI was the first to notice, and their monitoring pointed to possible malware on the Nasdaq servers themselves. No one had ever successfully compromised such a target, and the NSA analysis of the malware confirmed it was likely designed and executed by a foreign intelligence agency and not just some computer whiz with too much time on his hands. It was eventually traced back to Russian software engineering and was attempting to steal 11 billion from the New York Stock Exchange. If successful, it would have caused havoc within the system and hobbled the US economy. It was obviously prevented, but it does highlight the vulnerabilities of the stock exchange and financial institutions in general. Next, we have the American business hacks from 2005 to 2012. This one-of-a-kind, hard to wrap around your head, right? It's got a lot of moving parts and players. It's been called the largest hacking scheme ever detected in US history. Started in 2005, various brands, chains, and systems including 7-Eleven and JCPenney were targeted by a Russian hacker group. Over the course of 7 or 8 years, they managed to steal 100 million credit and debit card numbers and infiltrated 800,000 bank accounts. It's believed that they were either directly or indirectly responsible for at least 300 million in worldwide losses. Some of the information was sold. Credit card numbers went for $10 to $50 a piece, each on the black market forums. While other data was used to steal cash directly from accounts, they apparently got away with about 9 million using fake ATM cards at Citibank and PNC Bank. Why does it deserve a place on this list? Just look at those numbers again. Cybercriminals are determined to prey not only on individual accounts, but on the financial system itself. But would-be cyber thieves should take note. Our ability to unmask and prosecute the anonymous perpetrators of cybercrimes has never been stronger. Preet Bharara, who is a Manhattan US attorney. Those are some of the largest historical hacks in history. What do you guys think? Did I miss one? Let me know in the comment section. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.